Hello YouTube, this is Vaughn2480. I'm sorry I have been missing for a month or a little over a month. But like I said in my last video, for the ones that watched it, I am in school right now, so that's why I kind of backed off from making videos on Mondays and Fridays, because school began to pick up and I could not keep up with schoolwork and doing YouTube videos, because a lot of times I'm trying to think of ideas for YouTube videos, and then like I said in my last video, my nails were not in the best condition, I felt. So I didn't really want to do any nail tutorials, but I have been polishing my nails and putting on gel polish and stuff like that. I just didn't show you all. But I bought this today, and today is Saturday, June 29th, from Sally's. And I'm going to place this on my nails because, as you can see, I'm still dealing with them. And then I polished my nails with some yellow polish, and it kind of left residue on my nails. I did try to go look for like a bleach for your nails. I couldn't find any at Sally's. I looked online, and I think Q-Tex, whatever. I'll leave it the picture above. They make a nail cleaner or brightener, and you have to order it, and it's from Target. Then I looked up and saw that you can use lemon juice. You can also use peroxide and baking soda and some other concoctions that you can mix yourself to get your nails back white again. But I didn't do it yet. If I decide to do it, I may come before you and let you see if I'm still dealing with that discoloration from my nail polish. Again, it came from a yellow polish that I used. But I want my nails to kind of get stronger, so I bought this gel from Sally's, and it's by Gelish, and it's a nail strengthener. And the directions tell you to shape the nails, lightly buff the surface of the nail plate with a 220 grit buffer. And you can find a 220 grit buffer at Sally's. I have this one. It's a 240 and a 400. It's not exactly what it called for, but this is a 240 as well. I don't have a 220. I thought I did, but it's just a fine buffer. But if I would have looked at this before I left Sally's, I would have purchased a 220. But I don't have one, but I did use that 240. Then it says clean the nails with Gelish nail surface cleanser and a lint-free nail wipe to remove any dust and oils. And then it says brush on Gelish Vita gel recovery over the nail plate and cap-free edge. Cure for 30 seconds in LED light or 2 minutes in UV. Cleanse the nail with Gelish nail surface cleanse to remove the tacky residue. Massage Gelish nourish cuticle oil into skin surrounding nail plate. So that's what I'm going to do. I already like buffed my nails and everything and did all that off camera. So I'm just gonna apply the gel polish. And the reason why I'm coming before you with this is because I'm going to apply this and cure it and wipe it. And then I'm going to polish my nails with some colors and kind of do a slight design or something with my short nails. So you will see in just a moment. But I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my left hand. the polish, the nail strengthener on both hands. This is what I used. And I'm just going to wipe the tacky layer off with some isopropyl alcohol from Walmart. I don't have the gellus cleanser they were talking about, but most of them are just alcohol anyway. So that's what I'm going to use. This is my first time using this product, so I want to come before you all, let y'all see firsthand how this works if you're having the same problem with your nails. And it feels, you know, like a gel polish would. So now I'm going to apply some nail polish and see how that works on top of this. They feel pretty strong, but we shall see if it holds up. And the two polishes I'm going to use today, one is by Sinful Colors. This is Kylie Jenner's signature collection. I bought this some time ago from Walmart, but it says step 1 because step 2 is like the Sinful Shine with Gel Tech top coat. It's in a black bottle. And then I'm going to use this Nana Cocoa. I bought this from my local beauty supply. If it'll zoom. Okay, I bought this Nana Cocoa polish from my local beauty supply store. And this is the name of Romantic Cruise. Very pretty blue color. So I'm going to start with my left hand again. Okay, I have polished both hands, and what I'm going to do is just clean up around it with these precision tip Q-tips, or you can get like an orange wet stick or something like that and wipe and wrap some cotton around it, so you just can clean up any imperfections that you have. I may not get them all. And it's best sometimes to get them while they're wet. Okay, so what I'm going to do to my middle finger, I'm going to use some nail art brushes. I bought these some time ago. That's one size. This is another size. I think I bought them maybe off of Amazon or eBay. And that's a dotting tool. And this one right here. So I think I'm going to use this one right here. And then on the tip of this white, I'm just gonna add some of that blue. So I'm just gonna, on my free edge, just kind of, hope y'all can see that. You could use your nail polish brush, whatever you want to use. So. Use this nail wheel. It has different shapes of like gemstones and of just nail decorations in it. I did put a top coat on. I just used this Top Seal by Nail Bliss. It's really good. It dries super duper fast. Normally this comes with some little nail tips that you glue on your fingers to make like a French manicure. I think you can buy it from Sally's on their website. I'm not sure if the store sells it, but you can check. But that's what I put on my left hand. That's how it's looking. Not my best work, but you all get the idea of what I was trying to do. So I'm just going to take this nail adhesive that you put on when you use nail foils. And it's goopy. It's no good. Since that nail adhesive is real sticky, I'm going to have to purchase some more. I think I bought that from dollarnailart.com. But anyway, I'm just going to use some nail glue. Brush on nail glue from Kiss. And I'm going to use my dotting tool to pick up these little black rhinestones. Okay, I'm back. I'm going to show you my right hand and what I did to my left. But I attempted to make some flowers on my ring and pointer finger, in addition to the black rhinestones. Just playing around to see how I would like it. So I'm going to show y'all how I did it. So just because your nails are short, you don't have to not do nail art or not polish your nails. I know I said I wasn't gonna probably come back until my nails grew back, but sometimes that takes a little time. But I just want to show you all, while my nails are short, what you can do. You can have fun with your nails. They can still look cute, no matter the length. And I'm using these mini crescent silver. Mini crescent silver. I think I purchased these from Dollar Nail Art. Like I said, you all, I've been sitting on this for a while. I purchased this stuff maybe some years ago, and it's just been sitting. Hey, I'm back. You all let me know what you think. I was just playing around and decided that I needed to do something to these two fingers. Haven't really done it in a while, so I hope you all could tell they're flowers. But you let me know what your thoughts are. I'm going to clean up some more around my fingers, and then I'll take pictures. So stay tuned. Have a wonderful, blessed day. And I will try my best to come back with more videos on Mondays and Fridays. Like I said earlier in the video, I am still in school, and I will talk about what I'm going to school for later, like I said in that previous video. But I am in school, and when I do have some downtime, I just try to relax and take care of things that I need to take care of around the house and everything like that. Just do some self-care, take care of me. But when I do find some free time, I will start uploading more videos. So this coming week I am out, so I will try to get some up so that I can have some up for the month of July. So just stay tuned, and if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, just leave them below. And I thank you all for watching. Take care.